Youth Tripura Federation 4th Foundation Day was celebrated at Hezamara Party office on Saturday. YTF President Neeraj Debbarma, Minister Brisaketu Debbarma, EM Ravindra Debbarma, Block President Nirmal Debbarma, TWF General Secretary Sivanjali Debbarma and other members of YTF and TWF were present. On this day, the 4th Foundation Day of YTF was observed under the guidance of Tripura Mata Supremo, Maharaja Pradyut Kishore Debbarma. YTF President Neeraj Debbarma began the Foundation Day raising the party flag. Later, while addressing his speech, he said, on the occasion of YTF Foundation Day, varieties of fruits were distributed to the patients of nearby hospitals and also provided sweets to the hospital faculties. He further urged to the youths to join hands with YTF and do the work for the people.
Hambai, Chini by 4 Foundation Day, Chini by Charipa Soronka, Chini Bubagrani Tridulung by, Chini YTF, Asamani Shal, Abonuruk Savich and Tini Ozaga Flag Hosting Kalega, or Manza Pagasini Minister Service Ketu, the Oromanza Pagasini EM Sarobindro de Burma, or the Manza Pagasini Block President, Sanimol de Burma. Abang loglu Tripura TWF ni General Secretary sini Madam Sivanjali Manchaka tai job toro sini YTF warrior tai TWF Tripura Mata sing palbak sakane sing oro tini flag hosting khalejaka je central ni dagimang abaino tai abuni logi sing tini fungo ba thasingo sing sini oro dong hospital bo thangai sini sa khamirang no sing thangai kolpagara bo distribute khaja tai aroni ustaf rono bo sing Mr. Distribute Kaja, go ahead.
Don't delay YTF Foundation. Tamo Sikla, Tamo Cocosan on night. Boba Hike on, I guess, Hanzo, Boba Hike on, is it popular?
Cock Havana Casanamusungo, Sigla Romasini, YTF, and Oban Casanamus, Boba and Logi Fidi, Tansani Lamo Fidi, Aban Bagano, the Boba and Logi Paya, Tansan Logi Pay, and Bascamo, Kaham Krakato, and Bagasam Canyon Bagan, Oban Bagano, YTF, Hike Casanamuso.
On this day, the Youth Tripura Federation President Neeraj Debbarma, Minister Brisaketu Debbarma, EM Ravindra Debbarma, Block President Nirmal Debbarma, TWF General Secretary Sivanjali Debbarma and other members of YTF and TWF were present. Reported by Animes from Hezamara, Chini, Khorang.